For Unit 2, we're going to focus on life cycle nutrition, or nutrition throughout the life cycle. And what this unit picks out is it picks out some key times during life when your nutrient needs are different. And the first one that we cover is going to be pregnancy. During pregnancy, during lactation or breastfeeding, we'll be covering what's going on with the body, what nutrient needs change, why they change, why you need some things more than others, why there are practices that are discouraged during these times. So pregnancy and lactation. Then the second that we're going to look at is basically through childhood, through infants, up through childhood into adolescence. So kind of like there's the pregnancy, then we get the baby. And so we're going to get the baby all the way up through adolescence. So we're going to look at those stages as the child grows from a baby up to an adolescent. So again, we're going to look at nutrient needs that are increased, what they're going to need, what might be discouraged, and just some things to look out for during those stages. And then the last one that we're going to end up talking about is the stage of life of older adults. So when you're an older adult, obviously you're going to need, things are going to be different. Your physiological changes, there are going to be a lot of physiological changes that occur, and that's going to impact your nutrition, and that's going to impact what your requirements are. So what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about what kind of changes happen and how that affects our nutrition, how that affects what we need, what we should avoid, that type of thing. So for this unit, there are going to be 3 chapter readings, and there are going to be 3 assignments. Those are going to be essay questions, discussion essay questions, and those are going to be based one for each chapter. So there's going to be an assignment for the pregnancy and lactation chapter. There will be an assignment for the infant, childhood, adolescent chapter, and then there will be an assignment for the older adults chapter. Just like in Unit 1, there will be a graded discussion board post, and there will also be a graded test, which will be in 2 parts. So the format for a lot of these units is very similar. I think we kind of, once you get one unit down, you can kind of go with the flow for the remainder of the course, but that is what we're going to be covering in Unit 2.